So today we're going to do another video on the Aliencell laser engraver. Today we're going to be talking about the Alienspace and offsetting shapes, since it was a question that I just got. So we're going to jump up into the software real quick, and in here we're going to come to the top and click the little plus button. And now down at the bottom, I'm going to import an image. I think I'm going to use the bare SVG file. And now with this file selected, you see that's not selected, this is selected. We're going to come up here to the outline feature. And this is what would be called offset in Lightburn. Once you select the image, you have a few options that pop up here. You can group, you can ungroup, you can outline the image, and you can flatten the vector. So we're going to click on outline, and that brings up the outline box over here. We're going to use the standard outline. We're going to set the distance to 4 because I can see some outlines in here that I don't want. So I'll do 4. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to turn on outer shapes only. Just like that. And now we've got our outline with no anomalies inside. So I'll just click confirm. And now with that outline selected, we can right click on that. We can retag it and put it onto the red layer. And that just gives us a visual representation. So now on the left side over here are our parameter settings. So if I click on cut, it'll light up that red one. And I can come up here, process on my honeycomb because that's what I'm using. Pick a material. I'm going to pick the plywood 3 millimeters and press confirm. And that's just about finished. So the next thing we have to do is click on the engrave. We can also do this a different way. We can just click on the image and that'll open the panel here. And I'm just going to leave it recommended, maybe change it to Atkinson. And I think I'll always change the speed to 600 just so I get better speed and maybe 80% power. I am using the 40 watt. And now the job is ready to run. All I have to do is click process. So just another video today for the Aliencell playlist. I hope this helps you out if you're a new owner of the Aliencell X1. And as always, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.